This is how to fold the Bird of Paradise napkin. First, take your freshly laundered flat napkin and fold it in half. When doing any napkin folds, it's really essential to make sure that all the folds are nice and crisp and straight. Then fold in half again. You'll notice that all of the loose unfolded ends are on one corner. Now fold the napkin diagonally, ensuring that all those loose ends are in the center. Now, this next fold is the one that people usually get wrong, but it's actually very simple. All you need to do is fold the left and right sides of the napkin along the center line, like this. So from the center of the napkin, first fold one half along the center line, and then fold the other half along the center line. It's very important that all of those loose ends are still facing upwards, or the next fold won't work. You should now have two extended points like this that you can fold under and then fold the whole thing in half. Let's see that one more time. Under and in half. It sort of resembles a small boat. Now grip the napkin really firmly in your hand and start to pull up those live points. Now you can see why it was so important that they were on the top. This gives us the petals of our bird of paradise. So that is the entire napkin fold done. I'm sure you'll agree that it's a lot of impact from a small amount of effort, and it will look absolutely beautiful on your dining table.